Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks Part 2. Not really necessary, but I thought I'd show you a couple of things. I took out the black from the interior. If you select it all and hold down your Shift key and double click on your rectangle tool, you get a rectangle around your object. I'm going to change my nudge factor to like 10, and I'm going to try to grab that rectangle. I have it. You can see it down here to the right. I'm going to nudge it over. I'm going to fill it in with black. I'm going to take away the outline. I'm going to go to object and go ahead and put it to the back of the page. It would be on the front of the page because it was the last thing you created. Now, if we move it over, look what it did. So now what's good about this, you could change the colors, to black, blue, whatever you wanted. But you could also, and it's still selected, go to your interactive fill tool and you can do a lot with this pattern. You could do it like that, bring that up here, have a total different look, or you could go to the ellipse and have it like right in the middle and have a unique looking, I don't know, what a printer would ever do, but don't forget you still have your clone tool. And if you didn't like it, you could get the interactive fill tool and we could make this burnt orange. It did not make them all burnt orange. I must have messed up with the clone itself. But you could still do that to each, you'd want to do it to each one. I just didn't maybe rotate it around. Anyway, kind of a neat project. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.